off, so we're gonna make a part 1 and a part 2. But we're here again, and we're back. We came all the way from down over there, down all the way over there, and a bit farther. But there's Dublin, and he wants to go in the wet spot, but let's just, you know.
Hey, he'll probably like that hay.
What?
He'll probably like that hay.
So there he is. That little dog. That's Dublin. And he went right face first in the hay. And there they go. He just wants to eat up
Dublin.
all of that hay.
Dublin.
Yeah, right.
And he lived on a farm. From where we got him, he lived on a farm, so he knows hay.
Hi. Let's get
It's a
big.
photo shoot for mommy.
No, we're actually having a photo shoot tomorrow. We
Yes,
can
we really are.
take a little clip of Dublin
Yeah,
tomorrow
we can
in
film.
his outfit. Oh, my mom made us.
We can film us getting
You
the
wanna
big truck out tomorrow.
You wanna run?
Look, he's gonna come right out of that. He knows how to do that.
Dublin, come here. No. There you go. No, he's not. There you go.
There's a doodles.
Look.
Double doodles.
Wait, I wonder if he'll go up these steps. He knows how. Dublin! Oh. Dublin! Come here!
You see people?
Dublin! Well, that's going to be it for this video, because if we go any further, it will get much more boring. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Let's not watch him poop. Thanks for watching.
Peace out.
Peace. There's Mommy.
Peace out, bro.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and
Turn on those post notifications and hit that bell.
Don't let him buy the litter.
bye. Dublin, say
No.
bye.
No.
Say bye.
Come on.
He's getting beat. Say
I
bye.
know you don't like it, but you're
Mom, take him up.
Oh my gosh.
Little.
Bye.